come to that, कल आ रहा हूँ नहीं कहा था किसी ने भी. This has been happening for a long time, and they've been marching. They marched 1,000 kilometers. And I must correct Mr. Sumit Peer when he speaks about Jammu Kashmir elections. Well, it is because of the Supreme Court that the elections are being held. Now, coming to Ladakh, if we are talking about autonomous status be granted to Ladakh, whether that will happen or not can only be determined when democratic processes are in place. So if people have been having, and they've had many rounds of talks with the government, why is it that the new government of 4th June 2024 is not willing to talk to them? That is the point here. And if you talk about what the concerns are, whether statehood for Ladakh is going to clash with the sensitivity of the border issue, is inclusion in the 6th schedule going to affect it? This should be discussed. Both these things should be discussed with the government.
What is the Congress? What is the Congress's stand on this? What is the Congress party stand on this?
I'm coming to that. See, when you're talking about the Ladakhi issue, before I talk about the Congress party stand, it is very clear that they are also talking about, they've got 4 demands. So in those 4 demands, they're also talking about the early recruitment process along with the Public Service Commission for Ladakh. Has that been spoken about? Is that, an uncalled for demand? When they're talking about Lok Sabha seats and 2 extra Lok Sabha seats, is that not something that should be discussed? That can't be done right now, right away, but it should be discussed. If elections are to be held in Ladakh in the coming times, should this not be discussed? Should they not be given their own government? Should they not have the power like any other state in the country where democracy is established and they can run their own state?
Fair enough. But the same question again, how does the Congress view